Alright, so let's see how this goes. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick. I go by Ghost on Xbox Live, YouTube, and on Twitch. This is going to be my first pack opening video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet just because I'm testing out the first setup. I'm recording off my phone on this for the time being. So we're only going to be doing 5 packs today just to get a feel of everything. We're going to be doing 1 Battle Styles, 1 Shining Fates, 1 Champion's Path, 1 Darkness Ablaze, and 1 Hidden Fates. So let's go ahead and get on right into it. I'm going to give a little backstory on myself while we're doing this. So I stream over on Twitch every once in a while. I only have 2 test videos up on my YouTube right now. Trying to get more, so this is what this is going to consist of. I've been a fan of Pokemon since it came out. Back in '99, I think was the first time I got a pack. Actually, still have my original Growlithe from that set. It's probably my favorite card, specifically because of that. But let's go ahead and get on into this. So, first card we got, Fire Energy. I'm gonna try to do this the best I can, guys. Sorry. We got a Crawdaunt, Buffalo, Scroll of Swirls, Houndour. Don't even remember what that guy's name is. Not gonna try to pronounce it. Cubone, Remoraid, some Mantis thing. Not gonna try to pronounce that either because I don't want to sound dumb. Reverse Holo, and oh, okay, starting off clean with an Empoleon V. Very nice. Go ahead and set that side. We're gonna get that bad boy sleeved up. Alright, next we're gonna do our Hidden Fates pack. So how is everyone today? Hopefully everybody's doing well. Like I said, this is just a test video. I plan on coming out with a lot more later on. I had that the wrong way, sorry about that. Gonna be doing some collaborations with some buddies of mine once we get everything set up and going here, which is always gonna be fun. Scyther, Charmeleon, Metapod, Caterpie, Eevee, Ekans, Charmander, Psyduck, Reverse Holo Lapras, and a Holo Misty's Command non-full art. That actually might be the way to go to kind of do it down like that. So those first 2 packs weren't the best. Alright, so now we got a Darkness Ablaze, which is code. Alright, so we got Fighting Energy, Ferret, Steenee, Birdkeeper, Purrloin, Mareanie, probably said that wrong, Melton, Carablast, Sinistea, Reverse Holo Flygon, and a non-holo, however you say that. Terrible with names. But, yeah. Not too bad. The Reverse Holo is pretty decent. Alright. So next up we have a Champion's Path. Hoping to get at least 1 more decent pull out of these, even though we're only doing 5 packs. So, code card. Alright. Electric Energy, Leopard, Beatty, We have Paris. Let's see if I do it like this. Patini, Full Heal, Scraggy, Perleon, Machop, Reverse Hollow Victini, and a Professor's Research Hollow. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more packs also. We're going to open 2 Shining Fates and we're going to do 1 Vivid Voltage also. So let's go ahead and do the Vivid Voltage now. And we'll keep our Shining Fates for last. Because why not? Alright. Code card. Alright. Dark Energy. Shuckle. Nesleaf. Memory Capsule. Yenma. Galanor Meowth. We have a Duskull, Voltorb, Weedle, Reverse Hollow Slugma, and a Colossal VMAX. Not the best card in the set, but obviously not the worst. That's actually pretty sick looking. I'll take it. Now we're getting into our Shining Fates. So me personally, what I've been doing, because I've opened up some packs here in the past, the bulk cards, what I'm doing is going through anything that's a double, I've been giving to my niece. We started binders for her and everything. Everything else we kind of got put inside the boxes, ready to go. Just a matter of what we're going to be doing with them. I don't know if I'm just going to give them away or try to bulk sell them out. No idea. I think I did the card trick right for this. I don't remember the Shining Fates ones and Hidden Fates and stuff. Let's go ahead and just spread those out. Alright, so we got a Dark Energy, Gym Trainer, Floatzel. We have a Rusty Sword, Snom, Trapinch, Nickit, Weasel, Shinx, Boss's Order, and a Reverse Hollow Little Dude. Is that it? Is that all that was in that pack? There wasn't anything in that pack. Oh, that sucked. Oh well. You live and you learn. Let's go ahead and move these over. I'm going to get these separated because for our reverse hollows at least, if they're rare, we're going to go ahead and get those sleeved up and whatnot. Put them in a temp sleeve. Alright, so last pack, it's going to be one more Shining Fates pack. If I can get this one open, I'm losing to it here. Alright, there we go. Alright, final code card. Water Energy, Rusted Shield, Floatzel, Thwackey, Grookey, Eevee, Morpeko, Chulette, Nickit. Alright, an amazing rare, a rainbow rare, whatever one that is, I can't remember. Yveltal, and a hollow Frostmoth. Frostmoth is not bad. This is the second one of these I've actually pulled in this set. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, well, that's our first video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little basics, the little intro to getting to know me. I do have a Facebook page. The Facebook page is called Asylum. You'll see my logo on the front of it that says Ghost. On there, that's where I post when I'm going to be streaming, as well as once I start getting videos up on the YouTube. That's where I'll post everything and put the link in. You can also find me over at Twitter at ghost_, twitch.tv/ghost_. YouTube, I believe, is just Ghost. Like I said, I don't really have much posted there as of yet, but we're gonna get it all going. So thanks for stopping by and watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button. Comments are going to be on, so I would love your feedback, whether it be negative or positive. That way we can learn from it and build upon it. I much appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.